Hi friends, I'm here to watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to use counter number formula on your Microsoft Excel mobile. So this will count total value of numbers that given on the cells, particular range on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to use the count number formula on your Microsoft Excel mobile? I'm just going to show and also explain about this. For example, here I'm just going to type as 7689. Just going to type a text here. So click on this and just change it to the keyboard section, and here just type some text here. So now I just need to see the total number of count numbers value, how many numbers on here actually. So click on this arrow section, scroll down, you will see an option called auto sum. Click on this, and here you will see this option called count numbers. Click on this. Now you just select the range like this and click OK. You can see it showing as 4 because I had typed as some text here. For an example, here the number with a text also considered as a non-number value. You can see it shows as 3. So if I just delete this like 89 on here, I just going to type as 0. It shows total number of count is 5. This is how you do. You just use this count number formula on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super Bible content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.